Hello. I did a quick video recently about how you can make a mod for a T-shank jigsaw blade to be used in a Swiss Army knife that has the parcel hook, such as the compact or the climber. Great knives, but you can add a saw to Swiss Army knives that don't have a saw. I used some heat shrink tubing to pad this out a bit so that it sits in this little slot well. Thread it through the keyring. The universal hook holds the saw in place there, and you've got an improvised little wood saw, or I guess you could use a metal saw or whatever you wanted with any jigsaw blade. It's certainly not perfect, but this great little hack could be useful in a pinch if you really needed to do a bit of sawing. Stash one of these saw blades in your little kit in your bag or whatever, and you've got it there in an emergency. So this short little video is just to see how these different types of blades compare with the rather excellent saw that comes on some models such as the Camper, the Huntsman, etc. Let's just see how they compare in use. Obviously you can get tons of different types of blades for your jigsaw. This Bosch one is meant to be a clean wood one, so it supposedly leaves a clean edge. This to me looked most similar to the style of saw you get when you get a built-in saw on a Victorinox. This one is another wood blade, but this is meant to be a fast cut saw blade. So let's just have a see how they go, shall we? So start off with the Camper's saw blade there. Really decent saws on these for the size. They're fantastic. Look at that. Like a saw through really soft wood. Excellent. Next was the Eclipse Predator, supposedly a fast cut blade. I had to put the glove on one hand because I found that using a glove really helps you to be able to apply a load of pressure on the hook there. You have to press that down really hard or it does just slip and pop out. The saw blade pops out. That kind of did the job okay. And there's the Bosch clean wood saw. This cut quite well. Again, I had to apply loads of pressure with my thumb onto the hook to keep it in place. So you wouldn't want to be cutting a lot with it. This blade was hindered a bit by being really short. A slightly longer one would be better, but that got the job done as well. So yeah, clear to see the Victorinox inbuilt saw is quite clearly far and away much better than these little hacks. But like I say, if you've got a Victorinox knife that has the parcel hook but doesn't have a saw, it's not going to hurt you to just bung one of these into your bag there to have that extra bit of utility in an emergency situation. Buenas noches, and see you later. Bye.